Good morning and welcome to Disney's California Adventure in the sunny state of California. Oh, wait a second. It is pouring. It is a rainy day here in Disney's California Adventure. But you know what?
We got our ponchos, so we're good.
We are good. And any day in Disneyland is a good day, rain or not. So we're taking it. It's supposed to pretty much rain all day, I believe. We got the ponchos on.
Oh, look, the decorations are up.
Oh, we do have decorations. Christmas is starting now, if you want to say. No popcorn yet. So we got some, and that's like popcorn decoration. Well, we can. All right, I think we're going to jump into the store real quick. But it did. Did we? So hopefully it's working. We'll see. I know it was down yesterday, but yeah, it could be a really low-level attendance day as well.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
It would be awesome. We're starting the day in California Adventure, and then we're heading over to Magic Kingdom, or excuse me, Disneyland, around 1 o'clock. All right, here we go. We'll catch back with you. Soaring. Like a 10-minute wait, maybe. Yeah, almost. So that was nice. Still raining. Not as hard. This is a nice little reprieve from the water. We'll see how today goes. Yeah, there you go. It is a little busier since we walked in here. But I still think it's probably close. Alright. Onward. We may try to head over to Guardians. Let's go see how that's going. Alright. Kind of down Hollywood Boulevard, Buena Vista Street, excuse me. They do have some Christmas decorations up. And they have their tree up here at DCA. Ooh, it looks like it's a little windy down there. Yeah, that's kind of funny. It must be blocked right here. Right, it has stopped raining for a bit here in Hollywood Studios. Oop. The trolley car's back and running again, up and down Buena Vista Boulevard. That's awesome. But we are headed towards
Our favorite ride.
Yeah, that's right. Guardians of the Galaxy. Let's see. And then from there you can walk into Marvel Land. Marvel something. Marvel Academy, Marvel's Marvel's Galaxy Edge. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that'll be new for us.
Yeah, and it's right there. Avengers Campus. Avengers Campus. God bless it. All right, so there's the Pym Kitchen. We'll go there a little bit later. Over there is where you can see Doctor Strange. You got the whole thing here, and you got the Quinjet up there. I believe it's Quinjet. Spider-Man here? I don't know. It doesn't seem, from watching it on video, it doesn't seem as big, as tall.
Yeah.
So I don't know. That's funny. Yeah, yeah, somewhere in here. Shawarma, standby 35. You want to do it? Or you want to wait? Okay, so there's your Spider-Man web slinger thing. He's, yeah, around the corner there. Doctor Strange is. The one thing about Avengers Campus is it's not very big. It's cool. Yeah. Right there. There's Chris's favorite ride. She can't wait to ride it 3 or 4 times today. She loves it so much.
Look how scary it is.
It's not scary.
Those things that swing now.
Yeah. She doesn't like it because she says
Look at they swing.
they do swing.
No way. Look at that.
There are static ones as well, but you still won't ride those either.
Watch when they go down one.
I know. So they're working on the World of Color lights there. You can see the guys out working there. Alright. Yum. Yum. Oh, they do. They changed them. They got Christmas on them. Oh, that one does. Or it has that. Maybe that's always had that. Lights on him? Maybe. Wonder if like the Poultry Palace has coffee. I could sure go for a big old chocolate chip cookie. No, I'm sure they're not open. Incredible coaster. So much fun. You want to ride this or you want to go get coffee? It's probably nothing. In the way that people are running. It's a whole 5 minutes. Alright. 5 minutes. Here we go. Here's a close-up version.
Death wheel. Yeah, no.
Yep. Alright, so we stopped for some coffee. Coffee at whatever time early it is harder to get here than you think here at California Adventure.
We got it at the hotel, but...
Yep. Could have got at the hotel. There's obviously the Starbucks on Main Street, Buena Vista Street.
We're like, oh, there'll be more. Not really.
Not really.
A lot of options.
Nope. Over here by Goofy's Sky School and Little Mermaid, there's the corn dog booth. That's where we got this coffee. In the meantime, while we walked around, we got to ride Soarin' and Guardians and Incredicoaster.
Yeah, it's only been, we've been here, what, maybe an hour?
Maybe. And each one was like 5-10 minutes wait, nothing. So it has stopped raining now, but it's supposed to nice and cool. I do think it's going to rain again this afternoon, so a little temporary relief before it comes back up. But yeah, it's cool. And as we mentioned, we're starting to see some holiday decorations, which will go full force by Friday when the holidays begin here at Disney. Yeah, but it's really nice. Again, not a whole lot of people here yet so far this morning. We still need to ride Web Swingers for sure. It's $9.50. $9.50.
We got all day.
Yep, we got Oyster. We got Car Land. We got to do the racers, and then I think the only other one that we haven't done is Grizzly River Run, which is a wet ride.
Yeah, we might do that and then go to right near the entrance to the hotel.
Yep.
Maybe we'll do that and then shower and go back out later.
Yep. Because we do have the hopper passes, so after 1 o'clock we can go into Disneyland proper. So, and then we're back here on Wednesday. Thursday, because today's Tuesday. Thursday we're back.
Wednesday is Universal.
Yeah, Wednesday's Universal. Thursday is just Disneyland. And then Friday is Hopper again, where we start in Disneyland and then we'll hop over here after that to check out all the holiday stuff. We did some window shopping and already found some cool stuff that we're going to check out. Always find
so many things.
Yeah, Christmas. So we'll check out some of that. Some more. We might have to go do that.
All right.
Yeah.
How did you like Philharmonic?
The Philharmagic.
We are the worst.
We are the worst in names. Not gonna lie. Don't believe half of what we call something because it's usually
it's probably wrong.
Disney's Philharmagic. We have never seen it, and I loved it.
Yeah.
I thought it was amazing.
Super cute.
And I think it's been around for a while. I think it was in Orlando first, and then they brought it up here and took place maybe. It felt like we were in the Muppet Labs.
I think it was the Muppet Lab.
Yeah, but super cute. We love Donald, so lots of Donald in it. Angry Donald.
I don't know what you mean.
I don't know what you're talking about. But super fun, and I thought the animation, it is in 3D, so you wear the glasses, but I thought 3D
was great.
Yeah, a lot of fun if you haven't seen it, and it's a good, what, 20 minutes maybe?
Yeah.
It felt like a nice long little break if you wanted it. It's back here by the Mike and Sully's thing, and
kind of across from the animation studio by Schmoozies.
Yep, in that little area. So
speaking of Schmoozies.
So this.
What did you get?
This is leftover from Halloween. And this is called the Blood Orange Shake.
It looks really good. It's got the blood orange there, and the strawberry syrup, and the orange yummy sugarness.
This is Blood Orange Shake with whipped topping and strawberry sauce.
Looks good.
It does. So we figure this is probably limited last few days. Since Friday is when holiday starts, I'm sure Schmoozies will have a whole new holiday shake. Oh. Well, I guess we'll have to come back and try another one. So let's try the Blood Orange Shake. It looks delicious.
Yeah, it does.
With our paper straw that we all dislike.
Yeah. We have a whole set at home. We didn't bring our straws. How is it?
Oh, that's good. All right, we're in line for Web, Worldwide Engineering Brigade, Spider-Man ride. We are currently at Web Slingers. We're currently at 30 minutes. They said the ride wait was 40 minutes, and we're about to go into the building. So
Probably another 10 minutes.
yeah, it's probably about right. Oh, perfect timing. Here comes the rain. The rain has returned.
So that we can create tech that will empower everyday people like you. Tech like me, for example. I'm Sharon, the artificial intelligence that keeps us...
They're all doing this now, aren't they?
Yes, but it has some of the brightest minds in the world. That would keep things around here pretty chill. So the kids can create the next big ideas that will give you the tools to become the next generation.
That looks like the big time.
We hope you have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. And now, our project lead, the brilliant... Oh, Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Webb we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bots, for example. Check it out. They have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because
it's awesome. Buddy, you could stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the Web Slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm a little bit, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be greatly appreciated.
Problem with that,
So
Peter?
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, chapter. You should just call something else. Ask them again.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Weird. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for us all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avenger campus. Let's just be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a lot of problems. I'm here now.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, prep the Slinger vehicles.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the Slingers and we'll team up to stop the Spider Boss before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall.
Oh, so we're getting ready on to go on the Spider-Man ride, and our little bands are lighting up Spider-Man colors.
Mine's not. How come yours is? Oh! Mine was. That's worth $50 right there.
Well, that's all it's done today. All right, we're in the Pim kitchen. Oh, look, it makes the pretzels. They go in little,
Or tiny.
or they come out super tiny, or super large. That's funny. went over to the Pim Kitchen and got lunch.
We sure did.
And what did we get?
Well,
look at that.
I wish I could tell you.
Big thing.
We got the
colossal pretzel.
Sure.
Put your hand up next to it, just so we can get like a idea of how big that is. It's huge. And then we got the
some kind of chicken, not so small.
Not so little chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
The bun's really tiny and the chicken's ginormous, and it
Yep.
goes with tater tots. And then I got the.
Let's see.
It says on the menu on the receipt.
Probably does. You want to bet? Quantum pretzel, beer mimosa.
Beer mimosa. I got the beer mimosa.
And hold on, we'll give you a description. The menu. Okay. Quantum pretzel.
Bam.
453.8 grams Bavarian style with sharp cheddar cheese and beer sauce.
Which is right there.
There. Then we got the
not so small.
Not so small chicken sandwich served with crispy potato bites. Is the official name. And then you did get the beer mimosa, which is Sierra Nevada Hazy Little Thing IPA with orange juice.
Yum.
And it comes in the beaker. All right, so it's about 5 o'clock on Tuesday evening. And we have entered Disneyland. Oh, that's weird. And as you can see, the lights are on. It's getting dark. We're back to being a rainy day again. So we're all out here fighting the rain and the wind a little bit. They do have the big tree up. And yeah, the bottom half ain't lit up for some reason. Weird. And because it's raining, a lot of people heading out the door. I'm gonna hold your hand. Tree. And there it is. The castle. And the castle has snow on it. We tried to get away from the snow. It's hard to see it. We'll get more pictures as we get closer. A lot of people leaving, so hopefully wait times and such are going to be relatively low here today at Disneyland, or this evening.
A lot of cute windows.
Yep. There. They got a lot of the windows being Christmased up. I'm not gonna lie. If we can find an umbrella, I'll probably buy an umbrella. Oh, and Starbucks is packed. Ooh, lots of water here. Carnation Cafe, which we've never eaten at. Right there. But it's really pretty. All lit up like this. Nice. Stores are busy. It's still windy, but the rain has kind of died down a little bit again. Okay, so where are we going first, baby?
We're heading towards Adventureland.
We are going to Adventureland, and do you know why? Because we always try to do Pirates of the Caribbean first. So that's where we're going to head. It's kind of weird that we're doing that because Haunted Mansion's our favorite, but for some reason we got in a routine of always going to do Pirates of the Caribbean first. So that's what we do. We're going to go see how that one is. Again, I don't think lines are going to be anything. I am a little concerned about Indiana Jones actually running. Hopefully it is. But we'll see. Jolly Holiday, that's a good place. We're trying to figure out a place. Breakfast. We could go there for dinner. I don't we're trying to figure out where to go for dinner. We go to Jolly Holiday. We talked about, where was the other place we were talking about?
New Orleans.
Oh yeah, the place there in New Orleans. Oh, here it comes again. It's the wind. Because of the wind and stuff, obviously no fireworks tonight. So, but still, come on, come on. How can you not dig it? Oh no, baby. Dole Whip is closed. Now we do have the terrace we could check out as well and see if they're open. Adventureland. Kind of a funky weather day for our return to Disneyland. But again, we have 2 more days here. Now on Friday, I believe, if they haven't started yet, we also get the Jingle Cruise, if that's here. I think it's here as well. Yeah. Yeah, it's a spooky tree. Yeah, you are. Cool. Oh, some Trader Sam stuff. Let's check that out. Alright. Oh, then there's the Bengal Tiger place, Bengal Barbecue, which we've never really eaten. Alright. So we got the cruise is a whole 15 minutes. Now, of course, Indiana Jones, 45 minutes because it's Indiana Jones. There's the Bengal Barbecue. Yeah, we're almost there. And here comes Pirates of the Caribbean. Let's go check the wait time and get going with that. Stay inside where it's nice and dry, which could be an issue as everybody wants to do that. No Fantasmic tonight either. Oh. Let's see.
Both go there.
10 whole minutes. Let's do it. After, we always do this. Always. It always happens. We get in line and it happens to be everybody and their brother. 10 minutes. Pirates of the Caribbean. We say it every time, but this is better than Disney World. Yep, Pirates of the Caribbean, Anaheim, Disneyland is, it's just something about it that's better than Disney World. I don't know why, but it really is. Alright, so that was a walk-on. Awesome. Let's go see what's going on with the rest of the park.
Inside. It's what happens when 2 holidays collide. It's time for our holiday tale to begin. There's no turning back now. Please, come all the way in. Our holiday tale is a tale that's quite charming. But during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Santa Claus. It was the nightmare before Christmas that rolled through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings all hung by the chimney with care. When opened that morning would cause such a scare. And the children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads.
I really outdid myself this time. Look at all the happy faces. Season's greetings, everyone. It's Christmas time! Welcome to my Christmas
Just rode the mansion twice
In a row.
No waiting, just zip zip. Awesome. Okay,
Eat at that place?
let's go check out and see if we can do some dinner. There's the mansion there. It's still a pretty great darn ride. Okay, so where do we stop for dinner?
Rancho del Zocalo.
Yes, we have never been here. So I thought we'd try it. And what did you get?
I got a chicken burrito,
Yes.
rice and beans,
All right.
and some
Chips.
salsa and green guacamole.
Guacamole. You got a water, which is free. These are crispy chips with lemon. There we go. I got the Mexican salad, which I believe is just a Caesar salad with chicken in it. Looks pretty good. And tortilla chips.
That thing, what's that?
I got a soda, and then, yeah, I don't know what this is, but it's got ice cream.
It's one of those Mexican bread things.
There you go. It's a Mexican bread thing. It's got the little skeleton from like Coco on it. She said ice cream, and that sold me right there. So we're gonna eat, and then we'll try that. Is it like caramel and stuff?
Maybe, it looks like it.
It does. Yum. All right, we'll try the food first, and then we'll come to the dessert. How can you not? What did you think overall of Rancho del Zocalo? Good?
That was good.
Yeah, I think it was, for what you got and the price, I think it was pretty good. A little different than some of the other stuff out there.
It was warm and hot meal.
Yep,
I liked it.
me too.
They always give you too much rice, and I feel like it's
Yeah, they do.
like a filler. Here you go.
Yeah, I agree. Got some chips we're gonna take home. It says Donald on there. Yeah, all right. Let's go see what else. We were looking at the map. Pretty much everything is like low to no wait. So we're gonna go figure out what's next.
Galaxy's Edge.
Yeah, maybe. I like that idea. All right, here we go. All right, so we've got our Magic Band Plus. We're gonna try getting the bounty here in Galaxy's Edge. So we start. Ooh, it's green. How to track. Okay, green, ready, steady, short. Okay.
Ooh, red.
Means you're going the wrong way.
Okay, so if it's green, we're going the right way. If it's red, we're going the wrong way.
Yep.
So we just walk until we
Target purple located into. Okay, that means hey, you're getting close. Tap a Magic Band on your mobile device to activate Thermal Viewer.
On your mobile device, on your phone.
Visit the guide message head on your right to click.
Your phone.
Yep.
All right, here you do it.
Oh, we got a Jawa.
Ooh, green.
All right, scan, and you're purple, which means hey, you found it.
So now I can collect my bounty.
Now you go back and collect your bounty. Stick your hand in there. Oh, your hand!
My hand!
Located. Oh, you got the Jawa
I
guy.
see you found the first bounty. Not bad. But you'll need to collect a lot more to join the Bounty Hunters Guild. Here are your credits.
375 credits. Keep hunting. Okay.
All right. And that's what we do. All right. So that is our night. Our first day here at the Disney parks. And I thought for a rainy day, a really good day.
Yeah, we got on everything really quickly.
We did. The only thing at DCA we didn't get on was Cars Land because it was down because of the rain.
Yep.
And we went back to the room and took a little nappy nap.
Yep. Took a shower.
Yep. And then came back, hit Disneyland and hit. Oh, what did we hit? We hit Pirates, the Mansion twice. Then had a little dinner at Rancho del Zocalo. Hit the the train. I can't think of what it's called. Thunder Mountain, thank you. And then over did Rise, 25 minutes for that. And then I went and did the Falcon walk on. Walked around there, tried the Bounty Hunter thing with our new watches. And then from there went over to Indy, pretty much a walk on. Looked at some indie stuff and then caught the very end of Mickey's Mix Magic, which was awesome because our Magic Bands reacted to it. So a good night it is. About 9:45. The park is still open for another 2 hours.
I can do it.
There's hardly anybody. Oh, she's got a. Oh. There's hardly anybody here. So if you were somebody who could just do it, you could almost do every ride you wanted to tonight, and there'd be hardly anybody here. Pretty great. All right, so that's it for tonight. Tomorrow, Universal Studios. We want to go left. So, all right. From Chris and Scott's Colorado Adventures, it's the Disney California edition tonight. We will see you tomorrow or next time.